Hey guys, uh, welcome back. Part two, the validation visit is completed. I'm gonna just go quickly over it and uh, see it is giving me cluster configuration error and warning about cluster resource. This is all the nodes listed as possible owner, which is okay. I know that is fine for now. I'll go back and fix that, and I'm gonna say system configuration and cannot read the software levels, which is fine. Uh, so let's go on the top, and I think I just want to see one of the node, which node 1020 does not matter. I will confirm. So I'll say finish. I'll go to the rules, go on this one, I go resource, and I want to check the possible owners, all four possible owners, all four, all four, two, because we haven't installed the SQL Server on other two nodes. So these are only two listed here. So after the install, basically, we will have to check and assign these roles to possible owners, make them possible owners. Okay, so let's do it on 01. I have this in downloads and in quick access. This is the install media. It's downloading this, and I believe I already wrote this. It is in the E drive, and I'm gonna just run it from here. And it is picking up CU17, so I don't have to install it manually. So it's going to take some time. It's 2 core, but it is SSD. So while this is happening, I'm going to go on the second node, and I'm going to mount the media. And the media would be, oh boy, this is the OS drive. Okay, this is Windows. So I go network, I go here, I have it here, I structure on, I have it in install. Let's just copy this guy, install, and I'm gonna directly mount it here. And in downloads, I'm gonna just paste the CU17, and I'm gonna go back here. Okay, so it says it has warnings in the cluster verification, which is okay, and rest of the stuff is passed. So I'm gonna say next. Key, I accept the license. Name of this node is this, cluster network name. Say next. And it's picked up its IP4, cluster network 1. I have to put this here. I'm gonna say the 1, and I'm gonna provide the password. Yeah, double passwords, but should work. So right now, here you go. So we are installing this node on 01. If I come here on 4, you know, just to simulate everything is working fine on this guy. So going back here, go all this have it here. So it's running here. So I'm gonna go on the second one. Say CMD. Uh, equal. I guess I'm gonna grab it again. And let's say edit and let's see paste. Well, does not seems to be working. So I'm gonna just type setup. Hang on. Setup. Um, action add node update enabled. True. Update source equal to this downloads. Yes. So I'm gonna wait for this thing to complete. We are almost done. It's like we are done on this node. This is closing this. I'm gonna just start it on this side as well. On the 02 node. And let's go back here. And I'm gonna close this. Minimize this. We don't need it. Disk management, I'm gonna close. I'm gonna go to the nodes, and as you can see, the SQL is still running on under 4, and on 4 we still have, connection established. It says, okay, that's my store procedure problem. Uh, Anyways, on this guy, let's go on this guy, everything. Let's say next. We'll accept the terms. Next. Let's say next. And it is picking up CU17. It's going to slipstream. So again, it's going to take some time while we are here. Let's see if we can find something in SQL Server error logs. On two core, I put 50 databases. Of course, it's going to show us some problems. And that is fine. Let's close this, go back on this guy. It's still loading. So the slipstream is completed. The merging of the media and CU17, that is completed. Now it's going to start using the new media that it created to install the SQL. Just a warning, that is fine. And say next. This is node 2. Then everything should be okay. IP address. Look at this. The dummy password. So basically on my machine, 5, 10, 10, about 10 minutes to install one node, uh, plus slipstreaming timing. So I'm on this guy, so I'm gonna just close it from here. And on 4, I'm gonna close it from here as well. And on 3, I'm gonna refresh and I see warnings. but I don't see warnings. Six, two. Okay. It becomes too lengthy. I'll just release some memory. This is complete too. So what we need to do here, this will go off. Now, if I go in here and I go on the rules, now if I go properties, if you remember, we had these two. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna say refresh. In fact, I can just close it. Go tools, go to list managers, and I go in here. Let's see the warnings. Yeah, that is before this recording. So just want to ensure that all are there. Click on this, resources, again on this guy, properties, advanced. Now we can see the possible owners. Properties, advanced. Now we see the possible owners. I just want to ensure. So now, if we want, we can just move this failover cluster. If I go to the disks, I see some disk is owned by 01, which is okay. And I can simply uh, move this role to, let's say, to 01. And as you can see, the SQL is moving. SQL is down, IP is down, SQL network name is down, IP is up, name is up, SQL is up, or agent is up. And now it is owned by 01. If I go to the storage, you can see that this is, this one disk is still owned by node 1, which is okay at this point. But just to let you know, just for the testing, uh, I'm gonna go and this is 03, and the SQL is now running on 01, and I can probably, let's say restart, or I can possibly shut down or awake the node. So let it come back and then we can awake the node. So while we are here on 01, just say failover cluster manager. Oh, the video is getting longer, so I guess I will have to conclude the video over here. So thank you for watching.